Now guys, I'm going to read this comment and we're going to talk about it. Now, under one of the videos that I posted, at Anselm Tayo says, I disagree. It won't even make any sense if they launch below $1. Then some random persons will come and buy a quantity I don't have for mine in over 5 years. And then at the Premark said, why would they work so hard on KYC and worry about securities, and finally it opens for $1 or less, and then any Joe can buy Pi for $1 without any KYC? Doesn't make any sense. So these comments really got my attention and got me thinking for a second, because this is a very serious matter, to be honest. As much as this is so hurtful and disappointing to we the pioneers, it is beginning to look a lot like a reality. Now when you go to the Pi browser app, right, under blockchain, when you click on blockchain, you're going to see the total amount of migrated Pi coins that is out there. Now we have 5,458,872,402 Pi network tokens that is currently out right now in circulation, and then the locked Pi coins is over 4 billion. You can see it right here. So it is over 4 billion. Now imagine everything all together right now is already getting to 10 billion, and mind you, many people are still not yet migrated to their mainnet. Now imagine if everybody is now migrated to their mainnet. How many Pi coins do you think will be out in circulation? Just as we speak, close to 10 billion is already migrated. Over 5 billion is right now in people's wallets unlocked, and then 4 billion is locked. And remember, the fact that the Pi coins are locked doesn't mean that they are not out there, right? They are just locked, but then it is out there. It is part of the supply, right? Now, with this high supply, definitely the price is going to be very low. And if the price is very low, anyone can just come and buy Pi coins. This is a very concerning matter, right? And I hope that the PiCo team gets to see this video and think of a way to benefit we, the pioneers. We can't just mine these coins for 5 years and expect to be the same as the person that just randomly just comes to buy the coin when it launches. That is not fair, and I don't think it's a good idea, right? I mean, how would someone who didn't even mine the coin be able to get as much or even more than we that have been mining for years? It is not acceptable, and I urge the PiCo team to look into this and make sure that we all get rewarded based on our efforts on this project, right? That is the best thing to do. But then as it seems right now, it is not looking promising, and to be honest, I really don't think it's a very good thing to do, to just put us out there and make us a laughing stock. At the end of the day, anyone can just come and buy the same token that will be mining for years, right? So it is not a very good idea. Please, you need to work on something, make something work. PiCo team, I'm calling on you. Nicholas Kokalis, I'm calling on you. Please make sure that you look into this matter and make sure that the pioneers are duly rewarded for their efforts. It's been a long time coming. Pi network, I hope you get this and make sure that we get our due benefits as pioneers, because what is the point of being a pioneer? I've promoted this project. I've done a lot of videos promoting this Pi network coins. So we can't just do all of this and then we'll be equals with the people that didn't even mine. So that's not fair, that's not cool. I'm urging you guys to make sure you work on this. That's basically what I'm here to talk about. I hope the PiCo team sees this video. I really hope they do see this video. So guys, that will be the end of today's video. I'm going to see you in the next one, but until then, bye for now.